Hi, boys and girls. Do you know what is it? Yes, it's a birthday cake. Whose birthday? Oh, it was Henry's birthday last Friday. Happy birthday, Henry! So I asked him some questions. Listen carefully. Henry, what did you do on your birthday? My parents and I sang songs together in the afternoon. And then I had a birthday party in the evening. Wow, good. What did you eat and drink at the party? I ate a lot of cake and drank some cola. How do you feel? I felt excited. Wow, I think you had a wonderful birthday. Yes, thank you. In our dialogue, you can find some irregular verbs. What are they? Sang, had, ate, drank, felt. In regular verbs, we cannot add ed to some action verbs in the simple past tense. These are called irregular verbs. They look different from their present tense form. Now, please look at here. Buy, B-U-Y, buy. If you add ed, no good. How about the correct one? Bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. So, now let us look at more examples. For example, eat, ate, have, had, see, saw, take, took, drink, drank, give, gave, write, wrote, sing, sang. Remember, irregular verbs look different from their present tense form. Look different. Look different. Now, Henry is writing about his birthday at night. Listen. On my birthday, my family sang songs together in the afternoon. I had a birthday party in the evening. I ate a lot of cake and drank some cola at the party. My mom gave me a new pair of shoes, and my dad bought me a new watch. I was happy. Boys and girls, how many irregular verbs can you find here? I give you 5 seconds. Are you ready? Go! Okay, how many? Yes, 7 irregular verbs. Where are they? Wow. Sang, had, ate, drank, gave, bought, was. Wow, well done. Remember, irregular verbs look different from their present tense form. Let's do some revision now. Buy, yes, bought. Eat, ate, good. Have, had. See, Saw. How about take? Took. Good. Drink. Drank. Give. Gave. Okay. Write. Wrote. Well done. The last one. Sing. Sang. Wow. Excellent. Boys and girls, I want to remind you that please finish your workbook, page 17 and 18, and Grammar Wonderland, page 18 and 19. Thank you.